Hello guys, this is Esra. Please follow my channel. This is Royal. Let me show it to you. Royal 410DX electronic cash register. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to give a receipt. Okay, so it's probably in the off first. So you're gonna put it in program one, regular one, and then let's say somebody purchased something for $10. So 10, and then you're gonna push 19LY for the tax, and then you're gonna push ST and S, and then you're gonna enter how much money the customer gave you. Let's say they gave you $15, and then you're gonna push total. So it tells you that you have to give back $4.34, and it's gonna show on the receipt $4.34. Okay?
Okay.
If they gave you the exact amount, $10, 19LY, ST and S, and directly to it will give you the amount with the tax, 1066, as you can see here. Okay, thank you.
Please come again. Steak, Revi, Bomb, Captain Genix, TM Hardy, welcome back.